Hi everybody, this is AlgoAvengers and this is Sprint 3 Retrospective. We'll start the retrospective. So we'll give 5 minutes to the first pointer, what went well in the Sprint 3.
Okay, so let's start with what went well.
Yes.
As we have 1 more minute left. Guys, time up. So if anybody wants to add some last point,
Yeah, that last.
I think we are good.
Uh, It's okay. We have,
I think we have around 20,
yeah. So let's take at least five for each.
5 votes. Yes.
Yeah, 5 votes for each.
Guys, start voting on the what went well part. Guys, have we done voting?
Yes, we're done.
Yes.
Mumbai,
Yeah,
can you
so
sort it out? Sort according to vote on the top.
um,
No, no, no. There's a option where you can just sort the
we can
vote.
directly sort it.
Yes.
Yeah, we can directly sort it.
On the right hand corner. Up, yeah. Sort by votes. Yes.
Yeah, so drafting a technical paper gets the most like votes. Even we got very good results with our ML model.
So the top five that we have are drafting technical paper as per IEEE format. The second one is achieving the desired result and learning by collaborating. Updating tasks on Jira, task allocation and effective communication, and ML model with good accuracy and less loss.
Oh, yeah.
Other than these, uh, we can also does anybody want to cover the first one, like whoever wrote the drafting the technical paper?
Yeah, for the sprint, it was required that we should have a technical review research paper. So we have done the part well that everyone collaborated with each other to draft the papers right from the literature search and everything. So it was one of the good thing for the sprint.
Okay, thank you, Priya. Let's just move on to what can be improved in the next sprint. Also, one thing that what went well according to me was we completed all the story points, like mostly the story points, and that gave us a boost in this. So
Mhm.
let's just take another 5 minutes and put in our stats
Yeah,
for what
before
went.
that, I would just like to say that it's not in top five, but I definitely feel that everyone is learning new skills and implementing that to a project. It's really helpful because not everyone of us comes from like tech background. Like everyone doesn't have all the skills required, but we are learning and collaborating with everyone and resolving each other's doubts is really helping us to move forward. So I really feel that yeah, it's one of the major thing which is getting us moving ahead, and it's going really well.
Yes, thank you, Omkar.
Yeah, so we can move ahead with what can be improved. We have thought.
Yes, let's just take another 5 minutes and put in our tab. Guys, last minute.
We have last 10 minutes, so let's wrap this up fast.
Yes, so let's just take 4 votes, or I mean, we can decide even
Yeah.
take 5. Mostly, I think 4 is enough for this, and get back. Guys, please vote. Guys, are we done voting?
Yes, I'm done.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's done.
So the top four that we can see, backend and database connectivity that can be improved, making Sprint 4 agendas clearer and adding better stories. This is the one I've added. User authentication and updating tasks on Git. So yes,
Yeah, for user authentication and backend database connectivity, I have added that as we have to figure out the user authentication, because as we have discussed previously, also we have to show the record and maintain the data of every user, and we have to able to show the data to whatever their history was. So we have to make sure that we have that. So for this sprint, at least we have to finish. It's on the priority.
so I think we most of us we are on the same page because I can see two of the stickers. The one that has 2 points, like working on other features after completing the MVP to learn more. And also somebody else has adding features that initially time did not permit. So I think these correlate and are about the same. So yes, definitely we'll think about adding some extra features.
So should we move the action, move this to action items?
Yes.
So connectivity of backend, and we need this clear agenda for the sprint 4, as we have mostly, because we are pending with only few tasks.
So I think let's just keep top three right now, and definitely updating tasks on Git is one important deal which we are lacking. We can improve. But let's work on the backend and database connectivity, and also the Sprint 4 agendas and the stories better.
Yeah, we did pretty well on this sprint as compared to. So let's finish this, since next will be the last sprint before we finally have a final demo.
Yes, and also I'd like to add a point like what went well. I did not actually put it there, but definitely the suggestions that professor gave us about how can all of us miss the checklist. We definitely went through all the pointers and completed those. So yes, that's a good thing. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.